Hello Libra, welcome po sa inyong reading that this is for May 24 to May 27. So for those of you po na bago, don't forget to click the subscribe to the channel. Click that like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate and hit that notification bell para po ma-notify po kayo every time na tayo yung nag-release ng bagong video. No? So kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, meron din po tayo doon sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating first channel, no, na catered for our international audience. Nagla-live din po tayo doon, pwede po kayong sumali. Kung hindi niyo po matiyempohan ang ating live sessions, pwede naman po kayo magtanong dito, no, sa video na ito sa YouTube, sa comment section, as long as the question is answerable by yes or no po. No? Kung hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no, at alam nyo kailangan ng explanation, then we do have a form. Sa description box po ng video na ito, meron po tayong form, no? Good for one question, good for two questions, and we have a promotion of 4 plus 1, so in total of 5. And if you also gusto nyo mag-book ng personal reading, meron din po, no? Dito po sa description box. So, Libra, this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. So, magsimula na po tayo. No? Libra, ang nakikita ko po dito is parang sabi dito is kailangan ko magmadali. Either ayusin itong relasyon na ito or ayusin ang buhay ko. It felt like there is an urge, no? Nagmamadaling bumalik sa iyo. I feel like meron ditong realization na sinabi niya sa sarili niya na, ay oo nga, parang ako ang mali. Kailangan kong ayusin ang mga bagay-bagay. So I feel like there is an explanation in here. Now, with the 9 of Wands, the Hermit, and the Fool card, so nakikita ko parang meron din kayong age gap, no, dito sa relasyon ninyo. We may be talking in May, December love affair. So ito po yung napakalayong agwat, no, doon sa inyong edad or hindi naman masyado, no? If we are not talking about age gap, then probably we are talking about the maturity ng tao. Someone is with a hermit, no, medyo mature. Someone is a little playful or childish with the Fool card. I think that merong realization dito, no, with the Temperance and the 10 of Coins. I feel like you were deprived or kumbaga pinagdamutan kayo ng time, energy, effort. Nakikita ko rin dito with the Temperance na parang sabi dito is more of ibibigay ko do itong sinasabi nating makikipag-usap at kailangan ko magpaliwanag, no? With the with the 9 of Pentacles and the Moon card, pero hindi niya sure kung tatanggapin mo, no, itong sinasabi nating kanyang explanation kasi parang medyo malabo pa din. So meron ditong separations. Ang separations dito is probably more of energetic if not physical, no? Energetic, which means that the person might be in a different barangay, no, barrio, no, city, state, county, country, different continent, no. I feel like, so with the Tower moment, the Page of Cups, and the Hangman, I think ini-stalk ka nitong person mo. Hindi niya talaga din mawari, no, bakit nagkaganito yung inyong situation na dumating kayo sa part na meron kayong separation. Ang hindi lang maganda is feeling niya ikaw yung nang iwan. So, ini-stalk ka niya. Hindi niya alam kung galit ka or what, no, kaya hindi siya makapag-approach or hindi niya magawa ang mga bagay katulad ng pagpapaliwanag dito. Pero ang nakikita ko is parang meron talagang push, no, na minamadali siya na kailangan mong kailangan mong ayusin ito, no, within this short period of time. Kung hindi, mas lalong magagalit si Libra, 'di ba? So, ito po ang iyong reading, no? Tignan natin ang zodiac sign ng taong mahal mo. This could be their sun sign or this could be a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Scorpio, I'm seeing Pisces, I'm seeing Cancer. Taurus is here, Leo, Virgo, Aries, Sagittarius. So this is your reading for now. Libra. Again, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below if you resonate, hit that notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po sa akin sa kabilang channel po yun, Babaylan TV. Pwede po kayong sumali sa live, magtanong po dito as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And don't also forget, meron po tayong mga forms 24/7. You can ask me questions. There is good for one question, two questions, and a promotion of 4+1 in total of 5 questions. And if you also want to book a personal reading, dun po yung sa description box. So, love and light. Namaste. See you on the next live or next reading. Goodbye, Libra.
You want the best of my heart, you just got